one niggas. I just took a bitch from a young nigga. I just want a little head and I'm done with it. Like I don't give a fuck, little bitch, I'm up. Ain't nobody like me, I'm a one-on-one. Yeah, these hoes treat you righteous when you coming up. At the crib and I'm plotting on the turnaround. We ain't fucking from the front, bitch, turn around. He keep talking about the price fair. Keep the metal in my glove, dog, I don't fight fair. I'm a diamond out the mud and I'm still shining. He a skateboarder, he a skateboarder. Knock him off while he still grinding. Looking for the monkey in the middle, but he still hiding. At the crib, but I just went on tour. A lot of niggas rockin' fives, I'm gonna do the fours. Probably trying to send a bitch and I'm a killer boy. Smoking on Harambe, got me paranoid. I was shooting a vlog.
Huh?
I said I was shooting a vlog.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How did that go for you?
What you mean, how did it go? It's going.
Oh, well, how is it? Oh, shit. Hell no.
Once it's still trying to push back, either in the back that needs to sit in front of you or in the overhead bin. They may not be stowed in seat pockets. If you're seated in an exit seat, please review the exit seating criteria and responsibilities located on the safety information card in your seat pocket.
What's up? Sitting on the airplane, about to leave. What are you doing? What's up? I probably work from home.
Yeah, we just bought a flight. About to take off.
If you do not meet these criteria, do not wish to perform these responsibilities, have a headache.
Okay.
real good till little buddy went to swish. Try the PJs, boy. You can't afford Delta. It's good with y'all, boys, man. We just touched down in the city. From Lansing to the city to Detroit. We flew Delta. I'm waiting on squad. Waiting on game right now. I think I'm about to throw the shades on in this bitch. Shades on. Yeah, man, that was the weirdest flight. That was the weirdest flight I ever been on. Because we did not go above the clouds. We sitting there flying like damn near so close to the ground the whole time. The whole time we like flying like right next to the ground. I'm thinking we about to die. It's like a 20-30 minute flight. Lansing to the city. Look out gang right there. Try the PJ, boy, you can't afford Delta. I don't know. They be on weird shit, for real. Isn't this bitch be on straight weird shit?
Detroit, Michigan, the Eastern Time Zone. Please check.
Hey, I'm about to drop a song for y'all boys, but I'm not a rapper. I am not no rapper at all. Not call me no motherfucking rapper. I am not fucking with these rap niggas. I'm not no rapper, bro. I don't know why niggas keep trying to act like I'm a motherfucking rapper. I'm not no rap nigga. Y'all some rap niggas.
That's what we doing, right? Yeah.
66. You trying to eat here? I'll eat here, get a little drink. I ain't really gonna.
I grab a drink here, though.
Yeah. I'll take a little drink. A little flight about to be something.
We're already OCD and talking. We got like just enough time to get food.
Might as well go to Chick-fil-A because they for sure gonna take a minute.
Okay, let's go.
Then we can come back.
Chick-fil-A normally be packed, though.
Right.
Like the most popular restaurant here.
It's crazy.
Such a big ass airport.
we just touched down. Touchdown, bro. I don't know. We about to go find a hotel or something. I'm damn near low-key tired as hell. Tired as hell. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah, that is our plane. He was flying that motherfucker. I ain't gonna cap. He was flying that bitch. I mean, when he was landing it, you know, it was a little bit janky. You know, plane started shaking and shit and everything. But he got us here safe in one motherfucking piece. You know what I'm saying? I'm still looking good how I was before I got on the plane. So we better go ahead and get a room and I'll help you up with in a minute.